There we go. Try to make him grab it again. Pick him in the air. Cause I'm just holding it up.
Baby. Your pinky still goes up.
Sure, Tori.
Ow! Oh, I think that's aborted. Ow! I fucking sink. Yeah, trap me in the corner.
Yeah, trap me in the corner.
Oh, Tori, come hold him. Oh, you better not.
Hold on. No. Shh, shh, quiet down, quiet down.
Come here. Get off my bottle, bro. Quit.
He's running. He was running in your arms.
Hold on towards south. Oh, I was gonna grab me again. Brutus. He like scrapes my butt. Where'd it go? Lay down. No, don't fall. No.
He's thinking. Hold on. Give him a second.
Looks like her butt crack showing with her belt on.
Brutus.
Is that belt on?
He's sticking my side. There's another side, you know.
He's gonna jump over you. Hold it.
Tickles. Stop taking my arm.
Armadillo.
That was the stupidest thing I've ever heard.
You did the armadillo position. You're all like crunched up in a ball.
It was all wet.
Tori, stop trying to get your foot in it. I know you're trying to do it on purpose. Tori, you just got right in the middle of the video. Stop, Tori. Your butt crack was just showing. We're showing all our friends. And your butt crack is gonna be showing.
And America's Funniest Home Videos.
Tori, stop bouncing on the bed. Stop, Tori. Tori, stop.
Sorry.
Oh, sorry.
Oh, you just like a front flip. Tori, you're doing. She keeps running from bed to bed so she can be in the video.
Nuh-uh. You may hold him again?
No. Going no further.
When we're done, we'll just play and I'll give it to him.
Right here.
Are we done? You're just gonna give it to him? Oh, I thought you were gonna give it to him like,
No, you gotta record yourself now.
we already have me recorded.
I deleted it.
Oh yeah, are you ready? Are you shooting one big video?
Yeah.
Okay. Hit your head.
They should go in there.
Let's see what he does. Let's see if he drops over my back.
What is he doing?
Bend over. Oh, he did it.
Wait, hold on. Crap.
He got it.
Do the thing where he holds onto it with his mouth and you hang him.
Can't get a hold of it anymore. This is a real dog.
Yeah. He's obviously winning. Or you suck.
Drop it, buddy. Drop it, buddy.
is this? Oh! This is disgusting.
Ouch.
You gonna get it, buddy?
What?
He's just looking at it. Grab his butt or something.
Ew.
I'm not gonna grab your dog's butt. It's fucking weird.
Literally.
Does that have night vision?
No.
Don't turn off lights.
I mean, it probably does, but I don't have it set on night vision. Oh, Bree.
Oh yeah, you turn off the light if you have that on, probably. Because the light doesn't help much. Can you still see?
Not really.
Oh, turn it back on. I guess light doesn't help that much. That really doesn't help that much. Just turn. Oh my God!
He just curb stomped your face. Would you like some of this?
It was all wet, so I can't even hold on to it anymore.
Bruce! You almost had it! Bruce! Let out! Oh, whoa!
Sorry, pull back.
He jumped you, and when he jumped, he landed on you.
I'm gonna see him. I'm just gonna jump me.
Hi, Brutus. Do you have something to say to the camera? Brutus?
Oh, you got Brad. Just like my face.
Kill me, huh? He licked my mouth earlier. He got something on your
It's
neck.
very wet. Is
I'll
it
put
wet?
it in your ear. Just kidding. I didn't really put it in your ear. It's right there. You have something to say to the camera, Brutus? Do you think you're a failure at life because you can't get this plastic bottle? When in the end of it all, we're just going to give it to you.
Right.